Look at them bad boys. 3 bolts, he said, per side. Fucking nightmare. Right, welcome back. I think today's job, we're going to be whipping those scabby things off. See, they're all rusted here and that, they're just getting peppered them. So I think I'm going to take them off and then we'll give them a good sand down, up rusty patches. Give them a bit of undercoat, a bit of rust oiling, whatever it's called, for treat that rust. Got some more wrapped 2K paint for go on it, so we'll give that a whirl and see what they turn out. I hope it's got to be better than that. Just look shit, don't they? And I'm also going to be taking front seats out, because Pete the seat's got to be trimming them this week. So, looking at them skid bars, whatever they call them, they don't seem to be too badly mounted them. So you've got 2 at the front there, and then 1 at the back. 1 at the back's like this. Bolt on that one. 1 there, and then 1 at front. So there's not like a ton of bits, you know, for mounting, because you've seen some of them have got like brackets for this, a bit for that, and this one looks quite simple really. He said it, simple. So we'll see how these pop off. Let's get them cleaned up. 3 bolts, he said, per side. Fucking nightmare. Central bolt. Little shit. Right, it's threaded. Well, the nut's fucked anyway on that one, so it's knackered here. Can I get off for a spanner? It's like we're whizzing the little shit off. Every time. Just nothing straightforward. It's always 1 bolt. Right, that's that bugger dropped. This side's not as bad, to be fair. 1 near the front wheel's a bit rank, but it just needs to tighten up, doesn't it? Underneath's peppered, which is to be expected, but if you leave that, it'll just get worse. It'll just rot through. It'll just be a waste of a skid bar then, really. So we'll get this cleaned up, see what they turn out like. Oof, this driver's side one's rough as out underneath. Look at that. Battered. Absolutely battered. Bandage away with it on no fucking bars, isn't it? So what we've done for these now, just done a little test patch on that, is knocked up a little sandblaster. Now it won't fit in my sandblasting unit, and yeah, I know my garage is a bomb site. So what you get when you're doing loads of little jobs, you just get shit everywhere. So we're going to the old STS compressor, because that one's gone there. Then we've just rigged it up with an hose pipe and a bucket. I'm hoping I don't use tons of material, but there's no way of capturing it. Do you know what I mean? These bars are just too big. Can't do anything with them really. So what I'm going to do is just blast off the rough, you know, it's rusted, and just give me a nice finished surface, then I can go over them with the coat. It's bubbled up, just takes all the bubble shit off it and the rust and that, and then we can get into these brackets here, because these are a nightmare as well. You're not getting that with a wire wheel or like that, so you've got to blast all this crap out, and you've got edges there as well. Just tidies up. I tell you what, taking it rough off anyway. Look at that. Not taking it right down, but as long as it gets all the rust bit and takes all the flake off and that anywhere it's been pitted damage. But I'll tell you what, fucking everywhere. Try to capture as much as I can because there's a bit of car left. Right, that's 1 peppered off, ready for being spraying. John's little makeshift spray booth. So the advance won't get covered in shit. I'm going to be using the Aid Rust Oiling Anti-Rust Primer. Finish that one off in a minute. Clean this bomb site up. Tell you what though, we don't have to sand this driveway again. Black grit, get in. Undercoat done on one of them. I'm going to run out of fucking paint. Bollocks, I've got yellow. I don't know if you want to paint that yellow. Right, she's had 2 coats done there. Both primed up. Different colours. This is where you see paint's different when it's fucking sitting on 2 different base coats. Good job it's on one side of the other, isn't it? Right, so I think we're ready now for a bit of rapture. Right, that's both of them done there. Just let them dry now for a few days. No, we'll stick them on the van, but look, a 10 times better. And also should be better with stone chips as well then, hopefully. You watch it, a couple of stones there, dink, takes a big chunk out of it. But 2 tins out, 10 each. Right now, so I've got a van on bloody ramps. I'm going to take a spare wheel off, because I've got that thing up there now. And this one's no good anyway now. So what I might do is drop this spare wheel out, and then take all the housing and that off it, you know, for all the mounting, all pulley equipment and shite off it. So it just gets rid of a bit more weight then, doesn't it really? Because that's, what's that? I bet it's wasting my water tank now when it's full, so a bit wasting fuel in it. So we'll drop that spare wheel off, get all the gubbins off it. Hopefully that should be a straightforward job. It's just started raining as well. So we need some tools for this now, and I believe under here is 3 bars. Is it these ones? I think it's these 2 here actually. These are the ones, I believe. 3 of these are for bloody, there it is. Shit. Try these anyway. Right, so I believe pop this cap off, so back doors, and get this rubber off. It's full of the carpet glue. And then, oh, there's another cap in there, and then in that, there, looks like a little bolt stood through there. So I'm assuming one of these, won't it? That's it, so square end on that one. Put square end in there, and then I would have thought that was on there. So that piece fit all in. That's the one. And that goes in here. That should, let's try to spin it. So if I lower this, should see the wheel going down. There she goes. And here comes the rain. So that's our spare wheel dragged out. Just give myself enough slack on here now under there, you can see where it's pulled through. And then it's got this locating wire here, which is the one for lowering it. This one looks like a bond or a safety wire. So I think we'll dugga that off. And feed that through. There we go. Free as a bird. There we have one brand new spare wheel. So it looks like we've got to get off. So we've got to take that piece off. That wire must come round into this housing. Across the top here. Long. Back round. And onto this coil unit. Pretty much straightforward that really, isn't it? He said it again. It's straightforward. Nah, it's bolted on that stuff. One brand new spare, and windy, lower shit. Gubbins with it. That was straightforward. But I'll tell you what, there's loads of room under there. You want to see it now? Tons. Bit water tank, fucking gas tanks all on under it then. Absolutely tons of room. So I think my waste tank is going to go here. So that waste pipe out in a minute. Right, next job, pop the front seats out. And then the van will be immobile till we get them done. Right, I know we should have sorted these seats out last night. It's absolutely chucking down again out there. And I've got to try and get these seats dropped off. We're going to get wet, lad. So I think what I'll do is we'll get this driver's one popped off. That's the easiest one, that. And then piss about with double, get rid of that one. While they're out, all that opens. There. Right, let's get these up to peak the seats. Let's get these seats covered. Let's give the cab a good scrubbing anyway. We're a bit tired of that. Wait for these bloody seats rock up. Tell you what, I'm sure this guy had a pigeon or something. It's full of bird seed down the back of here, man. In all the nooks and crannies is that little tiny sunflower seeds or something. What he's doing in here, man. Some strange people. But no, looking miles better that now. A lot tidier. Got these little bad boys from Amazon. Tell you what, they've been bob on them, you know, just for scrubbing into it. Plastics and stuff, but all dashboards were red tidy. Got rid of the old conversion dust anyway. Hopefully tomorrow, go pick them seats up, get them chucked in, get them little stinkers put on, and then give it a wash, ready for camper jam. Another deadline again. Not a bad finish on it. See what they look like on the van. Get them on. Great, that's them bad boys all fitted now. Looking miles better them, aren't they? Driver's side and all. Just finish them all better, doesn't it? Really? Just, I don't know, I like the rugged effect of that wrap spray. I'm hoping it's won't be out wearing as well, because the last stuff on it just chipped off like toffee papa. Result. Let's go and find out where these bloody seats are. Right, we've just been peeped the seats now, picked them up. Not screwed down yet, but there they are. So we'll get these fastened in now, and then we'll have a look what they look like. Should take me about 10 minutes, he says. See in an hour. Well, they're in. The back, not an interesting look, but the fronts, look at them bad boys. They have come up absolutely spot on them. MAN logo on as well. Give mint. Chuffed a bit with them. Matches the back now. Use the junk. Just sets it off a lot better, that cab now, doesn't it? Happy days. Right, well that's going to end it for this video now. Pretty much now 99% done the van now. The only outstanding bits I've got is going to be the awning. That's going to be the best part of 800 quid, get that. But before I can do the awning, I've got to faff about the solar panels, fit the unistrut, and just so that's going to be a video in itself, that one, doing that. And I think then it's just titty bits then. Bits of lights, more sockets here, there and everywhere, but pretty much adventure time. And once again, this year, I am just finished the day before we got bloody camper jam again. I did this last year with that bloody tranny, if you remember. But anyway, nice one. Cheers for tuning in. See you later.